What if I could help you take back 10 hours of your week without hiring another assistant? Today, I'm breaking down 3 simple automations that save me more than 10 hours every single week, and they'll do the same for you. Stick around to the end because the last one is the one most people skip, and it's the one that can literally double your referrals. I'm Stacia Kennedy. If you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe. I am your digital marketing BFF and strategist and SaaS founder. I help entrepreneurs build recurring revenue businesses without needing a tech team or having any coding skills. A few years ago, I was doing everything manually, onboarding clients, sending reminders, chasing testimonials. It was exhausting, not only for myself, but for all my clients too. And then I discovered a platform that relieved it all and could automate it all for me. In a minute, I'm going to show you exactly how it all works. But first, let me walk you through these 3 automation workflows that completely changed my weeks. And I remember sitting here at my desk one night, sending out the same email for the 10th time. I have all the welcome messages, the Zoom links, and having to change out different dates and things and follow ups, and thinking there has to be a better way. If you ever felt that way too, then you're in the right place. You're going to love this because these automations don't just save you time, they'll actually make you look like a rock star professional from day one. Okay, automation number 1, the client onboarding wizard. How this works is the moment a new client signs up, my system fires off a friendly welcome email with their login credentials, a short walkthrough video right inside of that email. It waits 5 minutes here, and they'll get a quick text message saying, "Hey, just sent you the welcome email. Did you get it?" The thing here is this is super crucial because when someone pays you a lot of money, they want to make sure that they know where to go. And if they, for some reason, don't get this email or it gets buried, you want to send them that text right away so they know that you got their money and that they know where to go next. And then what we have here is a task. This is a task that will actually go and ping my team here and check within a day to make sure that they were able to log in and that their credentials were good. So behind the scenes, a task is created there and nobody gets left behind. Nobody falls through the cracks. So the system automatically will follow up with them and remind them, hey, gentle nudge, if they did not log in, here is your logins again. Here's another reminder here. So even if you only set up this one automation, you're going to look more professional than 90% of your competitors. But let me show you number 2. And of course, stay tuned for number 3 because that one's going to be awesome. Okay, number 2, appointment reminder engine. Let's go to the appointment reminder engine here. Let me make sure you can see that. Okay, awesome. The appointment reminder engine is my favorite. When I first set up our system here, I wanted to make sure that was like the first thing that I needed to have set up is replacing Calendly with a automation to make sure that people know where to go when they book a call and there's no chasing people back and forth. And this one also saves me from any no-shows. I wow them from the minute that they book a call. When they book a call, they get a confirmation email message as well as a text message with a photo of myself and their name right in the back. It actually just basically stops there in their tracks and says their name's right there on the screen. So I'll have to put that up to show you what it looks like. They'll get a 24-hour reminder email, another reminder text message. In this text message, it actually says, hey, can't wait to see you tomorrow. Reply yes to confirm. So we're doing a text message, a double confirm. If they reply yes, then they come straight down here and they get the normal 1-hour email reminder and then 5 minutes before. But if they do not respond, I'm actually going to filter this out and give them another nudge an hour before and say, hey, your appointment's coming up in an hour. Please confirm again. So even if they don't confirm at all, I'd still just keep the appointment going here. But if you need that extra push to make sure that they get to the appointment, this is the thing here. And then I also have a no-show protocol as well. That I'll save that for another video because I want to get right into automation 3, the review request rocket. There's actually a few different review workflows in here that go all together. So actually, let me move back here and go to the entire folder, because how this works is when the project wraps up, the system actually waits a couple days and sends them so actually right here, there's 4 parts to this workflow. This is the entire review request rocket engine that I created. So what this does here is when the project is completed, they get moved into a particular pipeline, or we can tag them review contact. We can add a tag review contact so that they request review or they're put into a particular pipeline. And then what this does here, it goes through the pipeline. You don't even need to know how to build this, because I literally give this to my clients and I'll definitely help you build this out. This actually sends in an email to them saying, hey, thank you for working with us. Our number one goal as a whatever your business is to ensure that we provide excellent service. And then this goes to a link to the review page, right? How is your experience? Based on what they choose here, if it's anything less than a 4, it's actually just going to take in what that reason is and then actually notify the manager or whoever needs to be notified. Anything over a 4, then it'll actually send them to the actual Google link so that they can actually leave a review. And you can integrate this with Zillow if you're a real estate agent, or Angie's List, or wherever you want. Right now I have it going to Google reviews, so you can leave a Google review on your business profile link. And then let me go back to it. After it actually checks whether or not they left the review, a couple days later here, it'll actually keep asking them, hey, did you send, here's the link again, and it sends a text message, sends another email. What it's going to do here as the second workflow here is going to check, did they leave the review? If they left the review, then it's going to take them out of the other ones. So stop pestering them that, hey, go leave a review. It'll actually note the account that they left a review here. And then it will actually wait another day here and send them a email saying, hey, are you open to introducing us to someone that you know? So this is the key thing here, because we work on a lot of friends and family, and referrals are our bread and butter here. So it's going to send them a form if you know anybody that you'd like to introduce us to. They're going to fill out this form. And this is the craziest part too, which I freaking love, is that if someone sends you a referral, we have another workflow here that is actually going to send the actual contact a email saying, hey, so and so is introduced us. Hey, so Joe Schmo here gave me your name as someone who might be interested in our services. Are you open to getting on a quick call? And then a calendar link is there. So I literally don't have to do anything. I basically get that review through the automated system. You do good work, they leave you a review. I don't have to remember, oh, yeah, I need to ask so and so for a referral or things like that. This entire review request definitely helps the whole cycle of getting your leads back into referring you business and automatically being able to follow up, because we're only human. I know I'm human. And sometimes when a client will send me an email to connect me with someone, I'm like, oh, yeah, email that person my link. And then maybe I did reply back to the through a request, but then I go about my day. This entire system will keep following up with that person, and you don't have to remember anything. This one alone doubled my testimonials, built me a steady stream of referrals, all on autopilot. So if you are someone who has a business that relies on referrals, this is definitely going to be something that will help support that effort. So let's recap. Number 1, automate your onboarding. So every new client feels like they're taken care of. Give them the VIP treatment from the get-go. Number 2, use a reminder workflow sequence so that your appointments actually happen. But I have a separate workflow for that where it automatically will get them back on the calendar if that ever actually happened. Number 3, ask for reviews automatically so your reputation grows while you sleep. Some people call it review gating or whatever, but for a business owner, your lifeblood is dependent on social reviews and referrals. you can stop that from happening if anything does happen. Because sometimes people just are in a bad mood and maybe they're hangry and there was a miscommunication. Basically, that's how it works. Anything under a 3, the managers or yourself will get notified and you can handle it right from the get-go. We want to be on top of that. So together, these 3 have saved me 10 hours or even more every single week. So I now spend growing my business instead of chasing tasks. All right. Together, these save me 10 hours or even more every single week. This is time I now spend growing my business instead of chasing tasks. If you want the exact workflow, templates, and timing that are already mapped out in the automations I just shared with you, grab my free automation cheat sheet and walks you through how to set this up, what it looks like, what each thing is. And there is a link in the description below. There's a Notion sheet that you can actually go through and walk through that cheat sheet. And don't forget to subscribe here, because next week I'm going to show you how to build a lead magnet funnel in just 15 minutes using the same system. Trust me, you'll never look at automation the same way again. If you're curious of what the system is, there is a link in the description below. Get your free 30-day trial and you'll see exactly how I use it and how you can start your own SaaS business selling these automations to other business owners that need this too. If you have any questions, we'll see you on the inside. Grab my free cheat sheet or grab a free trial and we'll be able to talk soon. Much love and aloha.